Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. And I'm going to be doing something different today. I have one of my subscribers, Julie. Hi Julie. She asked me if I had ever tried the nail strips. And I hadn't tried the nail strips. So I said, you know what? Let me try them. I'll see how I like them. I'll see how they come out, and I'll show you and bring you along with me. So I'm going to take them out of the package, and we will see what they look like together. I'm going to put my glasses on so that I can actually see what I'm looking at. All right, here we go. And I got two different kinds. So this one is a cheetah. The color is like a very light color, light blush color, which is very, very pretty. And then this is a red, pretty red color. It's like a dark red. So I'm gonna bring you down, let you see the process. I'll talk through this one. I'm not gonna speed anything up because I don't know what I'm doing, and if I don't know what I'm doing, you're gonna wanna hear what I'm saying as I'm going along. So this might be a little bit longer video. We'll see. All right, so first I'm gonna take my old nails off. All right, let me get rid of these. Just take a little bit of that glue, remaining glue, off my nails. Just a gentle little filing of the glue itself, not the nail, across the top of the nail against my actual thumb or finger, and then just round out the sides. These are supposedly, it says they are real gel, lasts up to 14 days, and it's real gel. It gives you some instructions on the back, and what it says is prep, so they must give you something, select size, apply the lacquer, and file. And it says when you're peeling these off, when you're removing them, it says caution, do not peel off with force or one quick motion. So you have to kind of gently lift it off when you're ready to take them off. So let's take it out. There's a little envelope. A little how-to card. This must be a nail file, huh? There's only one prep pad, single use. I'm gonna assume that this is like a ingredients, alcohol. All right, I gotta push the cuticle down. My cuticle's pretty good. Rather than do that again, I'm just gonna take this little prep pad. It's just a little square prep pad, and I'm just gonna wipe them. My nails. Hopefully all that glue, prior glue is off. Yeah, there's two packs. Let me just look at it. It's hard to do with it way over there. All right, so there's a little bit of a gap here and a tiny little bit of a gap there, but the nail itself appears to be covered. I'm going to try to just file that off and see what happens with this. And I'm using the nail file that they gave me. All right, I have one nail on. So now I'm gonna need a couple of other sizes. So I'm gonna go with this one. This one. Bigger, which is bigger? I can't really tell if there's a top or a bottom either. They look even. So I'm not really sure like exactly where to start, but I guess you just start. They're both the same. So I'm just gonna try to get it as far down. Actually, like that one's not big enough. It doesn't cover the whole nail. So let's see. I don't know if that was like a big one. Let's see. I need like bigger ones, I guess, huh? Yeah. I thought that I had like small nails. Now I can kind of see through this nail a little bit. Do this like this. This is the second nail. These definitely take longer. They don't look bad. Yeah, they're you know, I think they'll be pretty for short nails. One good thing is you can kind of take them off and reposition them. Can't do that with glue. If you like short nails and you just want to do something that covers your short nail and you don't want to mess with glue, these are a good option because you will get proficient at it, I'm sure. The more you do it, you'll start to learn, like, you know, what shapes work best. I mean, what size works best. Nails underneath look really good. So here they are. And yeah, not as pretty or as, but I don't know, you might like that. So there we have it. It's, you know, they look like clean short nails. You can't really judge on my filing abilities because I do not have any filing abilities. So yeah, what do you think, Julie? You know what? I probably will not do these nails again. I will stick to my press-ons and my kiss nails. So yeah, these would be pretty if you want short nails and you want short red nails. But I am going to stick with the longer nails, but I will keep these on for now. At least my nails look polished and shiny, but with, you know, I can see kind of like around the edges and stuff. And I just don't want short nails this short. All right, well, that is my Dashing Diva stripped nail polish video. That I cannot use the nail strips. The nail strips, I first of all like a longer nail, and I cannot grow my nails and file them. I can grow my nails. That isn't the problem. It's filing them and shaping them. I just don't have that skill. I mean, I probably could get used to it, but why? When I have my press-ons and my glue-ons that I really, really love. So the strips are not good for me, but I'm sure that they would work for other people who prefer a short nail or who grow their own nail and file their own long nails and they look beautiful and you want an easy way to polish your nails. That would work really, really well. For me, because my nails are short, they started to lift on a couple of nails that very night after a couple of, maybe several hours after I did them. So I only had them on for a few hours before I peeled them all off. So that doesn't work for me. So I have a nail haul here. This is an Impress, the pre-glued nails. This is a haul I just did, and I just received about 5 new nails to choose from, and they have some new ones that are the color nails, and they are really, really pretty. And some of them are the Opie nail color, which is really pretty. So I have, oh, and I also picked up a set of French that I can do without having to glue them. So these are going to just go on, and I won't have any air bubbles on these. So I ordered those. These are the Couture, and I ordered these just to see what they would look like and if I would like them. So these are more like a bling nail, and although this little, it looks like a, what's the word I'm looking for? Ombre. There you go. I'm not losing it yet. The ombre nail. So those are pretty. So I will try those. And the last pack are these really pretty burgundy color. So I am going to choose it's between this color and this color. And I'm going to go with this color today. So I'm going to put these on. My nails are all prepped because yesterday, yeah, it was yesterday that I did the strips, and I need to put some nails on. So they're prepped, they're fine, they have no glue on them, and you can see how the next day after because if you noticed in that video, my nails looked really crappy. They looked, you know, kind of like beat up, but after one day of just not having any nails on and just washing my hands, they're fine. So that wasn't like a permanent condition of my nails. That was just taking off the nails and, you know, immediately after. So I'm gonna put these on. I'm just gonna find my sizes. I need to get my glasses. Go ahead and get a new set of nails on, and I know these will be a lot quicker than yesterday's nails. All right, nothing could be easier than these nails. I love the color. I think the color is just so pretty. It's a neutral. I just really, really like it. And this is the Opie Impress color. And this is Dolce de Leche. See if you can probably read that right. And this is one of my favorite colors. Yeah, no glue needed. You couldn't get anything easier than these nails. And these nails, these Impress nails, will last me a full week, if not more. There will be no chipping at the end. They won't lose any of their color or their luster. All the whole time I wear them. So I love these nails. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I hope you will give these nails a try. And yeah, I can't say enough about these. And now these new colors and these new Opie colors, these are awesome. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll subscribe. I hope you'll hit that like button, and I hope you'll come back. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.